Heyo, it's Teddy. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this beautiful look. I call it Why You Sing. The reason why is the Phoenix Gay Men's Chorus is currently doing a campaign called Why Do You Sing? And the chorus means a lot to me because that is where me and my fiance initially met. That's a whole nother story for a whole nother time. But basically, I was in the New Orleans Gay Men's Chorus and he was in the Phoenix Gay Men's Chorus. We went to an event and we both met in Denver, Colorado, where neither one of us are from. And the rest is all very in depth. And so the chorus has a very big spot in my heart and in his heart and in our relationship. So my response to the mission question, why do I sing? To put it in a short answer, the reason why I sing is for love. And I'm not just talking about me and my fiance, I'm talking about the love between me and the other chorus members and the family that we build, the friendships that we build, the missions that we do every single year. Every single semester we have a different mission statement on why the concert is the way that it is. if you are somebody from the LGBTQIA+, there are gay choruses in every single state, and they're not exclusive to just gay members. You can be an alliance, you can be transgender, you can be intergender, you could be gender neutral, you could be gender fluid, whatever it is. You can find a gay choir in just about every state. All that you have to do is just search up online and find them. If you don't have a place like that, or you're in a part of your life where you need somebody that supports you like that, go seek them out. Because I was from Louisiana, and I had no idea that there was even a gay culture in Louisiana until I met these guys, and they helped me out through so much, helped me come out and open myself up to the whole entire world of just, you know, being a gay man in Louisiana. And, you know, coincidentally, that's also where I met my fiance later on down the road. But the reason why I joined was to make those friendships, those bonds, and everything like that. So go seek them out, and if you don't want to sing, go find them and go watch some of their concerts. I've seen so many different choirs from so many different states. Not a single one will disappoint you at all. If you can do me a favor and just leave a like and subscribe, hit that bell notification, go follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. And if you could, to help us out with our campaign, please put into the comments, why do you sing? Or why do you do what you love to do? If you leave the comment down below, I will be showing some of those comments on my next video for everyone else to see. That's something that we can share, that this is something that we're all passionate about. And so with that, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Okay. What? You're videoing, you're not taking pictures. What you say? That's really bad. Well, and of course you did. What you say?